Hi, this is the Asus Eee transformer. Um, this is the 16 gig version with the mobile docking station. Just show you the box here. There's one side, there's the other side. I didn't actually know that these would come in the same box because anytime I've seen unboxings of this before, they'd have people had them in separate boxes, the pad and the dock. And you slide off the top. There's just two seals on the side that I've already ripped. They're a bit awkward to rip on camera. Slide off the top, you have the pad here, which I'll just take out. And you can see on this side you've got power and volume. On the top we've got pretty much nothing. On this side we've got headphone jack, HDMI, micro SD, and maybe a speaker grill. And on the back we've got the docking connectors, I think, and then the charging connector. And then on the front we've got the 10.1 inch, I think, around a 10-inch screen. I think it's 10.1 inch IPS display, with our internal camera here, which is 2 megapixels, I think, and the rear 5 megapixel camera that shoots 720p video on the textured back. Put that aside, and now we've got the keyboard dock that really makes this thing a transformer, because it transforms the tablet into a netbook laptop kind of thing. So you've got the dock here, there's that hinge that's supposed to be really tough to turn. I've got all those keys and all the special keys like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then you've got some special Android keys like the Android search button and then the Android back button up here. And it's got the same textured back as the pad itself, so that when they're connected together, the whole thing will look like one unit. And back here we've got this little E-pad booklet. Let's open this up. Usually people throw these away in unboxings, but some people like to see what you get in these, so let's just have a look. You get tips, wood. Okay, that's not in English, but you get the point. It's like quick tips. I've got inspired inspiration, persistent perfection. Again, okay, I think I've actually gotten a German version. Maybe it could be a different language. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's maybe why I got the pad so cheap. It was imported. So usually you get like a lot of times when you buy these pack products, you get a guide that has all the languages in it, but they obviously don't do that. But I have the manual on PDF anyway. That's actually probably the reason why the adapter is a European adapter, and that's the adapter there, because the website I bought it off, complete.ie, they gave me a free converter that is really damaged and bogey, but I might have another one that I bought myself lying around. And then you've got the USB charger itself, and then under here you got nothing. So that's the entire tablet. I might be making some more videos, maybe just one full review, or I might be splitting into several videos reviewing different parts, just to make it a little bit different from the other reviews out there. So keep watching,